support our cheerleading squad?
Yes.
Yeah.
We're the lemon squeezers.
Go lemon squeezers, go.
We're the lemon squeezers.
Go lemon squeezers, go.
We are called the lemon squeezers.
True indeed.
Yes. We squeeze lemonade.
And we need lemonade, you gotta send the money.
We need some money for
Send the money.
Yes.
Give the money.
Send it, give it.
however, or both if you want.
You can send it and give it. Because this little baby YN is kind of outdoing you.
Yup, my girl Kia.
He's back at the front with the money. Look at him. Look at the baby YN. He's back with the money.
See, I was editing my video.
Wait, we had tried to. We getting the drink. Come on, please.
Give me that money. I got the money. Give me that money.
That's the first time we've seen the $20 today.
You lying.
No, seriously. That's our first 20 today.
20 of the day.
30.
Ooh. And you know, I'm from Atlanta. I never had a chopped cheese before. I'm about to get a cheap cheese.
He's from BK, they killed Biggie.
Wait, what?
They ain't killed Biggie.
Hi, Key Clips.